Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. The suspect was running from police when these cows tracked him down.
So he's in a field. He's actually being chased by some cows at the moment.
The cows actually...
Yo! The cow's doing more work than the police.
pushed the suspect towards the police where he was arrested.
But yeah, if you walk up that track, I'll tell you when you're near. Thank you, Thank the cows.
Yeah. What?
Everyone knows about bottle flipping, but what about Dorito flipping?
Yeah, nah, he's not gonna manage that, is he? Bruh, he flipped a Dorito. Can you flip a Dorito? Good that don't scan random barcodes.
The next time you're on an escalator, rotate your phone to make everyone look goofy.
What the heck? That's fine.
I think I found the smoothest woman in America.
My friend over there thinks you're cute.
Wait, what?
This
That's some crazy effect.
is the face of a snail that lives inside a conch shell.
Kill me. Bro, what the heck?
So does anyone know how it's possible for a turtle to yawn underwater?
Aw, turtle. Oh. Ha, he managed that.
This snake stopped biting after getting caught in the act.
She's moving. Hey. Thank you.
This video of this boat that can transition to a vehicle racked up over 55 million views on Instagram.
Hey, that's Humvee. Or that's some other stuff. That's crazy. Yo.
That's the end of this video. Just a reminder that my next video is the Best of the Internet 2022, where I show the best clips.
Ooh, look at him get down.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This professional diver was in for a surprise.
Bruh! Why are you just zooming like that?
The diver was unharmed and somehow totally avoided the boat.
That's insane. Dude didn't even look behind him. Be careful around boats, bro. Oh, kitty. Kitty sleeping.
This couple was trying
The cat just got scared, guys. The cat just got knocked. He's like, oh.
to take a wedding photo shoot when an elephant threw a stick at them. This
He's like, hey, you trying to take a picture with me without getting my permission?
is what a snoring porcupine sounds like.
Oh. Bro, is that what a porcupine looks like? They look funky. Bro!
This guy was trying to
crazy.
use the bathroom, but the janitor was tired of waiting.
Bro. What the heck? Oh! Bruh! He is not pleased.
This beatboxer used his voice to make it sound like he's walking into a club.
Bruh, what?
This baby tried faux broth for the very first time.
Nice, buddy.
for the very first.
What, tried what?
This baby tried faux broth for the very first time.
Pho? You mean pho, bro? I think it's... Oh, pho, it's pho, right? Correct me if I'm
Trying to pass up kids on the
he loves
mountain can be a challenge.
I'm going around you on the right. Sorry?
Hey, yo.
Going around you on the left. Whoa, never mind.
Bruh. That's funny.
Little fun footrests. Let's try it out.
Get wrecked, nerd!
This little guy was
Get wrecked!
so excited to show off the flower that he found.
Oh. Poor little
I'm
guy.
hungry, I'm not gonna lie. What is that? Bro, is that a Dunkin' Donut?
What the heck? It's a
That is the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
That was good.
Hello.
I like that. I like that a lot, guys.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. I found a video of a flight attendant that wanted to make the safety announcement a little more fun.
Remain seated and easily pull the mask towards you to start the flow launch. Place that right yellow mask over your nose and mouth, securing it. Make sure to elastic strap. Pull on the tubing settings at the front to tighten. Please sign your own mask card.
This guy accidentally bought her a $500 gift card instead of a $50
That guy gotta be fun at parties.
card.
Hold it up! Brent, where'd you get it at?
Call the back of
Starbucks?
Walgreens.
Let me show you. You can detect the
Oh my god.
street lights, the cars in front of you, next to you. You can even detect this pedestrian here. Check it out. And it even can detect the difference between a sedan and a pickup truck.
Oh, knocked him out. Is that a rat? Yep, that's a rat.
This dad tried to slap his son with cheese when he wasn't looking.
Oh no. This is gonna end terrible. Have fun cleaning that up.
If you can see your own reflection in your car tires, then it's probably time to get some new ones.
That's dangerous.
I don't feel safe. No, I don't feel safe, G.
This pigeon enjoys receiving some heavy pets.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
Someone was kind enough to record what the top of Mount Everest looks like so you don't have to climb to see for yourself.
Yeah, nice. Now I know what that looks like.
A few days
Not that I was ever gonna go there, but nice.
ago, NASA launched
I
the
know what it
most
looks
powerful telescope ever made into space. It's called the James Webb Telescope, and it's 100 times more powerful than the Hubble Telescope. A telescope this
100
powerful
times?
will allow us to see deeper into space than ever before.
Nah. Oh no. Oh no.
This was sadly my last.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to catch one of my streams live, check out my Twitch at LT_code, linked in the description. Follow my Twitter for YouTube upload announcements and stream announcements. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.